Are your new radio flowgraphs on Ubuntu throwing up missing blocks errors, leaving you puzzled and your radio dream stalled? Let's dive into how to troubleshoot and conquer those frustrating missing block problems, step by step. First, the error often refers to a block that's simply not recognized by GNU Radio. To fix this, you'll want to start with your flowgraph itself. Take a close look. Is every block connected and configured the way you expect? Any obvious misconnections can prevent blocks from properly initializing. Next, check your dependencies. Missing dependencies are a major cause of missing blocks. Make sure you have all the necessary packages installed for the custom blocks you are using. The GNU Radio documentation, usually found online or within the program itself, is your best friend here because it'll specify which packages are needed for specific blocks. Then, move on to installing the necessary packages using apt-get or your preferred package manager. Identify and install the required blocks. Think of this as giving your system the building blocks it needs to construct your flowgraph. Run any necessary updates to ensure your system and related software are up to date. Finally, after addressing potential flowgraph design issues, installing dependencies, and ensuring proper configuration, retry running your flowgraph with these steps. Hopefully, those missing blocks will be a problem of the past, and you can get back to exploring the exciting world of software-defined radio.